Charlie, where's Kitty?
Kitty.
Is that Kitty? Kitty. Kitty. Ha-ha, Kitty. Guess who can walk now?
Kitty.
Kitty. Kitty needs some cuddle love. Go give Miss Kitty some love. Go love on Kitty. Go say, Kitty, I love you. Slap Kitty some skin, but don't slap Kitty some skin. Why don't you gently touch Kitty? Go see Kitty. Who's my walker bear? Kitty. Be gentle. Hi, Kitty. Charlie wants to love on you. And she wants to file your nails, apparently. Kitty, Kitty, we love the kitty. Okay, Charlie, really, is that necessary? Kitty, don't you dare be mean to Mr. Charlie Bear. We're very proud of his walking. Meow! Oh, Kitty, you're no fun. Charlie, good walking.